most dangerous tasks. It can provide real-time intelligence, support troops in the field, and even manage logistics. The possibilities are endless. Take the example of Project Maven. This US Department of Defense initiative uses AI to analyze drone footage. The goal? To identify potential threats and minimize collateral damage. Sounds great in theory, right? But it sparked a huge debate about privacy and the ethics of autonomous warfare. Military tech companies are racing to develop advanced AI systems. From facial recognition to autonomous weaponry, the future battlefield will be teeming with smart machines. But as we push the boundaries of what's possible, we must also tread carefully. The integration of AI in warfare is inevitable, but we need strict regulations and ethical guidelines. It's a double-edged sword, offering incredible advantages while posing significant risks. So, what's your take? Is AI the future of military superiority, or a Pandora's box we should be wary of? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into military tech. Signing off, this is your host. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed. TEKTHRILL.